Are you struggling with organizing your kids' toys? It's a common plight, isn't it? The playroom resembling a battlefield, strewn with toys, games, and every imaginable child's plaything. It's a whirlwind of colors and chaos. But fear not. This video is your beacon of hope amidst this toy turmoil. We're here to arm you with practical, easy-to-implement solutions that will transform your playroom from a cluttered mess to a well-organized haven of fun. So stay tuned for the top 10 ways to organize your kids' toys. Start with a purge. It might sound drastic, but trust us, it works. Every toy collection has those few playthings that just aren't played with anymore. These can be donated or sold, freeing up much-needed space and making the organization process simpler. Next, let's talk about categorizing. You wouldn't mix up your socks and shirts in the same drawer, would you? The same principle applies to toys. Group similar toys together. Action figures with action figures, puzzles with puzzles. It makes finding and tidying up toys a breeze. Now, onto clear storage bins. These are a lifesaver. Not only do they neatly contain toys, but their transparency allows children to see exactly what's inside without having to dump everything out. Plus, they stack nicely, saving on floor space. Our fourth tip is a game changer: implementing a toy rotation system. This involves keeping a portion of your child's toys out of sight and rotating them in and out of use. It keeps their play space fresh and exciting and less cluttered. Lastly, but perhaps most importantly, teach your kids to clean up after themselves. It's a vital skill that will serve them well throughout life. Make it fun, make it a game, and before you know it, they'll be doing it without any prompting. But we're not done yet. We've got 5 more tips to help you keep those toys in check. Moving on, our 6th tip is to utilize vertical space. When floor space is at a premium, we need to think vertically. Shelves, hanging nets, and over-the-door organizers can be your best friends when it comes to keeping toys off the floor. Our 7th tip is to incorporate toy storage into the decor. Who said that toy storage has to be an eyesore? With a little creativity, you can find storage solutions that not only keep toys organized, but also enhance the look of your space. Think stylish bins, baskets, or even a beautifully painted toy chest. Tip number 8 is all about using labels. Labels can be a game changer, especially for older kids. Having a designated spot for each type of toy makes cleanup easier and also helps children learn about categorizing and responsibility. Now on to our 9th tip, setting limits. It's easy for toy collections to grow out of control. Setting limits helps to keep the number of toys manageable. You might decide that once a bin is full, it's time to donate or sell some toys before bringing new ones into the home. And finally, our 10th tip is to create a designated play area. Having a specific place where toys live can make a world of difference in keeping the rest of your home clutter-free. And there you have it, the top 10 ways to keep your kids' toys organized. With these methods, toy organization doesn't have to be a headache. We've walked through 10 practical, efficient ways to transform your child's play area from chaotic to orderly. From using clear bins for visibility to creating a toy library, these strategies are designed to simplify your life. Let's make tidying up a breeze, not a chore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share your own organization tips in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.